Hello everyone, it's Maureen here at the Soulful Creative Studios, and I am going to be showing you how to create a weaving on a circular loom. Something like this. And what I've decided to do is create 4 videos to bring you step by step through the process. And in the first video, I'm going to just cover what you are going to need to gather for your supplies and your tools and materials. And in the second video, I'm going to actually show you how to create your warp threads that you'll be weaving on. And in the third video, we will actually begin the process of weaving, and I will show you how to do that. And in the last video, I'm going to go over all the different types of yarns that are out there and all my resources where I have found just beautiful, lovely different yarns that are hand dyed. I get most of my supplies through Etsy, but I'd love to share all of those things with you. So I hope you decide to journey with me and take part in this. And if you do want to learn more about this and you do watch the videos, please subscribe to my channel and let me know how you like the videos and if they're helpful, and please share with me what you create. I love seeing everything that people are creating out there right now. So you can find me on Instagram under Maureen Naidoo Art. You can also find me on my Facebook page at Maureen Naidoo Art, the Soulful Creative Studios.